Bring in Alger's Ankur Crawford. She owns Alphabet right here at Post 9. You want to give us a review of some of the things you saw today and what you think it means for you as a shareholder? I mean, that was a pretty cool demonstration that Dee showed us, right?
Yeah, absolutely. I think what Google showed today is that there's a race for the personal assistant. So we've talked about AI in the enterprise. We've talked about AI as a cloud service, but now we're really entering the realm of AI being used for the consumer. So OpenAI yesterday and Google with their personal assistants today, whatever Apple's going to do, collaborating with OpenAI will be very interesting. I think one of the things that came out of it is that search is going to change. Search will change dramatically. And the question is, will Google be able to get the same share in this new paradigm for search as they had in the old paradigm?
That is the beginning, middle, and end of where the importance lies for this story, correct? Are you comfortable in their position that they can? And can they afford to lose any bit of search market share?
I think any kind of change in the search market share for them may be a negative, and it's going to be perceived as a negative. So the question is, how much share do they lose? Because it's definitively going to change. And so look, the good thing about what we saw today is Google is in the game. They've woken up, they're in the game, you can't write them off, but there is still existential questions about the search market.
The stock's done really well.
Yes, it has done well.
It's done really, really well over the last year. It's done better than Microsoft.
Yeah.
I keep saying that like a broken record, but I think it's worth repeating because the general narrative and market story would have you believe otherwise.
Yeah, I think it also came from a different multiple. So Google has been a lot more volatile than Microsoft as it's become a kind of a risk-on, risk-off of search, existential risk, maybe not, versus Microsoft has been a steadier kind of return or compounder relative to Google.
Let's talk about this market. We have this nice move here. Over the final stretch, we're not that far away from a new all-time high on the S&P. We're already above a closing high on the NASDAQ. What do you make of this snapback from the April sell-off?
Yeah, I think you have to split the year into its two parts. So the beginning of the year was a Goldilocks story where, inflation was coming down, the consumer was great, GDP was good, growth was good, into an environment where now that the Fed is saying higher for longer, as they should in that kind of environment, bad news is good news. So as we got the jobs report, that was actually considered good. And, because maybe the Fed basically backs off on their stance. So it's kind of an interesting kind of win-win scenario in this moment in time where, bad news is good news, but if the news is actually better, then the earnings go up, so that's good. So that's good for the market. So I think we hit highs.